Welcome to Aldwin's Savory Flavors, one bite at a time. If you're looking for excellent seafoods, gambas, scallops, baby squid cooked in olive oil, and if you wish, in their specialty chili olive oil with garlic and paprika for a spicy kick, yung messy pa, eto na, Aldwin's Savory Flavors, one bite at a time. And let me tell you my story, my customer experience. Talagang CX rating, customer experience, perfect 10. Let me tell you what I had just some time ago. Dumating, Aldwin Savory Flavors, one bite at a time. All of the above. Gambas, scallops, baby squid. Dumating naka-a la carte. 1, 2, 3. Dumating din with pasta. Gambas, scallops, baby squid. Ang pasta niya al dente. Ito na. Alam naman ninyo, ayoko ng decision making. So, ang kinain ko, hindi ko ma-decide, multiple choice. All of the above. Paano naman? Ang unang nakaka-entice, hindi ba nakaka-engganyo? Sa mata yan eh, di ba? Nung pagtingin ko, aba, mukhang chubby, mukhang yummy yung pagkain. Alam mo yan eh, pag fresh ang seafood na ginamit, chubby ang dating ng seafoods. Okay, mata. Next, ilong. Binuksan namin. Amoy. Ay, yan, amoy fresh. Tip sa inyo ha, pag amoy palengke, yung amoy slimy, hindi fresh yun. So ito, clean, clean talaga. Super clean yung amoy. Ang naaamoy, yung ingredients. Yung seafood at yung olive oil, yung garlic. And especially pala ha, let me tell you, yung kanyang scallops, lemon butter. Eh alam naman din nyo, pag may butter, yung amoy, wow, yung buong dining area, super. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Anong una kong inistartan? Yung pasta o yung a la carte? Eh, alam mo naman ako, hindi na ako teenager, makanin. Nagluto kami ng kanin. Tinira ko yung kanin with, sige nga, can you guess? Ano yung inuna ko? Gambas, scallops, o baby squid? Ha? Okay, let me tell you. Baby squid. Ako. Ako yun. Ewan ko kayo. Sulat nyo sa Facebook. Anong una nyong kinain? Kasi ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng baby squid. Hirap makahanap ng taong marunong magluto niyan eh. Nagiging magoma. Yung bang over. Yuck. Para bang rubber band na parang eraser ng lapis. Yoko yun. Eh dito kay Alvin's, totoong savory flavors, one bite at a time. Totoo yan. So, I went for the baby squid. Sabihin ko sa inyo, kulang na lang sabihin ko, melt in your mouth. Tender siya. Yummy. Go for it. If you haven't tried it, you want to try it. Tignan natin. You will belong to my tribe. Followers ng Alvin talaga. Ha? Baby squid ako yun. Tapos, anong second kinain ko? Sige nga, guess. O sige, sabihin ko na sa inyo, yung gambas. Okay? Kasi, namimiss ko yan eh. Diba, nung pandemic, ang hirap makakuha ng fresh seafood. So, sarap talaga. Shout out, Alwins. Bekenemen. Again, again, again. O yan. So, sa gambas naman, tinira ko yung with the, tada, pasta. Winner. Alam mo yung pag kumain ka, napapapikit ka sa sarap. Yung para bang kung gumagawa ka ng sine, yung nakapos, yung tigil ka. Yun. Parang I take a snapshot in my mind of the moment. Try nyo yan. Mapapapikit kayo sa sarap. Para bang Sarap yun. And of course, I saved the one with lemon butter for the third. Scallops. Ha? Yung scallops in lemon butter. Hindi lahat ng tao marunong magluto ng scallops, ha? Pa-over sila. Again, shout out, Alvin Savory Flavors, one bite at a time. Scallops in lemon butter. The best talaga. Try nyo to. Ay, by the way, yung kasi kami, we want to taste it all, a la carte ang in-order namin. Pag meron kayong mga events or sa opisina or sa family, order din nyo yung pang-party na size, yung pang-event. Sabihin lang nyo kay Aldwin. Yun. Available yan, a la carte, tsaka yung pang-party tray. And if you're going somewhere, I don't know, visit your sweetheart, at gusto nyo may dala kayo na hindi naman nakabit-bit ang tray, meron. Available in bottles. Kikita nyo dito sa video. Available in bottles din ito. So, yun ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Punta kayo sa Facebook. Aldwin's Savory Flavors, one bite at a time. This is Miss V of Show and Tell with Miss V, telling you my CX customer experience, a perfect 10 with Aldwin's. What's it again? Aldwin's Savory Flavors, one bite at a time.